Hello everyone, my name is Ankur. Welcome to Do Code here. So today in this video we will solve the Hackerrank problem of list comprehension. So let's get started. So our problem is, let's learn about his comprehension. You are given three integer x, y and z. Okay. So we have to make a permutations of I, j, k. Okay, so I think we have to iterate 3 for loop and we have to find the sum of this I, j, k and the sum is not equal to this n. Okay, so we have to take input x, y, z and n. Okay, and we have to print the list of I, j, k with the sum of I plus j plus k is not equal to n. So let's get started. So first we select the Python3. Okay, now first we iterate the loop for x plus 1. Now we iterate the second loop for y, and we iterate the last loop for z. Now we have to check the condition. If I plus j plus k is not equal to n, then we have to append this value to the new list. So let's check. If I plus j plus k is not equal to n, then we have to append. So first we make a list. List new. Okay, then we append this value I plus j plus k in list new. So list new dot append I comma j comma k. So why it's so error? Okay, now we run the code. Oh, it's so error. Expected output is this, so we not print the new list, that's why it's so error. So lastly we have to print new list new. Let's check. So you see the test cases is passed. Now we submit the code. So all the test cases are passed. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and like it.